Well, BJP failed to meet expectations in Bihar as well. BJP, which won by a phenomenal margin in the general elections in Bihar, was finally defeated. And mind you, it took the Congress, JDU and RJD combined to defeat the Saffron Party. BJP bagged 4 seats and the Congress, JDU, RJD alliance won 6 seats, thereby ensuring that Nitish and Lalu's mission was accomplished to beat the BJP come what may. My colleague Arun joins us with more details on this. Well, Arun, the Lalu-Nitish combination working magic there.
Nishita, let me begin by digressing a bit. This morning we had news that Lalu Prasad Yadav, the RJD chief, was shifted to Mumbai to undergo a heart surgery. So probably he's sending out a message as the counting started that you could take me out of Bihar, but you can't take the Bihar out of me. That really sums up the alliance that he's stitched up with Nitish Kumar, and that too an year before the assembly elections. It is a very crucial pointer because look at the way things were stacked up for the BJP in the 2010 assembly elections. It had won 6 positions, RJD had won 3 and JDU had got 1. Now as we speak, the trend is clearly in favor of Nitish Kumar / Lalu Prasad because the two of them between themselves have leading in close to about 7 seats. So it clearly indicates the Saffron Party's intention of making inroads into the assembly, into the Bihar assembly, is getting scuttled. In fact, RJD is in lead as far as Rajnagar, which is a reserved constituency, Chhapra and Mohiuddin Nagar. And as far as JDU is concerned, it's leading at Jale, Hajipur and Parbata. So clearly the combination of Lalu Prasad and Nitish Kumar could probably spell bad news for the newly elected president of the BJP, Amit Shah, Nishchita.
Absolutely. Thank you, Arun, for joining us with all those details. Well, there we have it. Lalu Prasad Yadav and Nitish Kumar have turned their once famous rivalry into friendship with benefits that they had really hoped that they would get. In fact, out of the 10 assembly seats that went into by-polls, 6 have been backed by the alliance of RJD, JDU as well as the Congress, and just 4 have been pocketed by the BJP. This is in stark contrast to the kind of victory the BJP had seen in the previous elections in the state of Bihar.